Hey, I want to show you my favorite fragrance. Look at this beautiful box. It's the Jimmy Jones. Look at this. This is the 1.3 ounce. This is the small. But this fragrance is amazing. Long day. This is how it looking. I put in the morning, in the night I have the same fragrance in my skin. It's amazing fragrance. I recommend it. They have a different, but this is my favorite fragrance. If you wanna try, if you wanna make a gift for your wife or for your friend or for yourself, I recommend this. It's very good. It's fruit fragrance. Look at this. Beautiful, elegant, and amazing smell.